Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the live stream. Will the officer please open the courtroom for the morning session?
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Martin Clark is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no gum chewing, no drinking, no talking. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices sitting on a level surface so that you may be staying on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The court is calling case number 126-476-381. Vernell Thomas Walker. The charge is no operator's license on person. If Vernell Thomas Walker is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Vernell Walker.
Thank you. The court is calling you 563-63620. Caitlin Marie Wallace. The charge is in the park after hours. If Caitlin Wallace is in the virtual courtroom, say your name for the record.
Caitlin Wallace.
Thank you. SP 102-08141. Francesca Williams. The charge is no insurance. Count 2 of that same ticket, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Francesca Williams, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Francesca Williams, please unmute yourself and say your name for the record. Did we lose Francesca Williams?
I think we did, Your Honor, unless we have someone in the waiting room if you want me to.
You can try it.
Okay.
Now you ain't hungry?
Good morning, ma'am. What's your name?
Francesca Williams.
There we go, Your Honor.
Okay, Miss Williams, we were looking for you. Your charge, Miss Williams, is count 1, no insurance. Count 2, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. And also for you, Miss Williams, case number SP 105-74741. No operator's license on person. Miss Francesca Williams, are you able to connect with your video?
No. I just had to recall to get back into the courtroom.
Okay. All right. When you come for your pretrial, which is your next appearance, please be able to connect with your video. All right. For now, we'll let you just use your audio device. The court is calling Latrice Williams, case number SP 504211. Latrice Williams, the charge is improper plates. Also count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance. Count 3 of the same ticket, license improper. Also SP 6901541, same defendant, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that ticket, improper license, and count 3 of that same ticket, improper plates. Latrice Williams, are you in the virtual courtroom?
Yes.
Please say your name for the record.
Latrice Williams.
Thank you. Stacy Williams, case number SD 7000452. Stacy Tyrone Williams, no operator's license on person. Stacy Tyrone Williams,
Your
are you in the
Honor?
virtual? Yes.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I just received notice from the state prosecutor on Stacy Williams, and he's doing an offer to dismiss that case because he said it's a 2008 ticket. So
Wonderful.
He's willing to dismiss.
Thank you very much. So just put a pin in that. Stacy Williams, are you in the virtual courtroom?
Yes, I am.
You won the lottery today.
I
Sure.
see.
Just stay there, though. Just stay there, Stacy Williams, please. Deshanique Wright. Deshanique Wright.
Yes,
Case number
Dashanique Wright.
809-0491. Deshanique Wright, no operator's license on person. Are you in the virtual courtroom, Dashanique Wright?
Yes,
Please say your name for the record.
Dashanique Wright.
Dashanique. Ms. Dashanique Wright, you're also charged with case number 163-011-071, improper license, and case number 163-011, excuse me, 072, no insurance. All three of those matters are charged to Dashanique Wright. Okay, who's representing these persons for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of all of the named defendants. In regard to the arraignment, they all wish to stand mute, waive a formal reading, and we're requesting a pretrial date.
Thank you. Now, let's separate Mr. Stacy Tyrone Williams, because we've already been given an offer for Mr. Williams, and I think he indicated he's accepting that offer to dismiss his case.
Your Honor, we would ask, oh, I'm sorry.
So as to case number SD 7000452, Stacy Tyrone Williams, the prosecutor's recommended dismissal. Any objection, Ms. Perkins Moore or Mr. Williams?
No, ma'am.
No objection.
Mr. Williams, your matter is dismissed pursuant to the prosecutor's recommendation. Madam Clerk, is there a mandatory fee connected to this charge?
Just one moment, Your Honor.
As to everyone else, and Mr. Stacy Williams, just remain on the line, sir. We're just checking to see whether you will owe a mandatory fee to this. Yes, yes,
I'm
ma'am.
sorry, I do have that information. Mr. Williams does owe a reinstatement fee of $45, and then there's a warrant cost of $50 that's in the system, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to waive that warrant cost for you, Mr. Williams, but that mandatory $45 reinstatement fee is a Secretary of State mandatory fee that the court has no jurisdiction over. So you will have to pay that $45 in order to get your license reinstated. You can pay it through the 36th District Court, and we will distribute it to the Secretary of State. Do you need more than 30 days to do that, sir?
Your Honor, I posted a $100 bond, so can that just go for that?
Absolutely. We can apply that bond and they will refund the remainder to you.
Okay.
All right, sir. Any other questions?
No,
The
ma'am.
remainder will be refunded to you in the mail.
Okay.
All right. Okay, sir, you may disconnect.
Thank you so much.
And ladies and gentlemen, as to the remainder of you, your attorney has requested that the court enter a not guilty plea for each of you. We'll do that. Your pretrial date is June 24, 2021 at 8:35 in the morning. 8:35 in the morning. As to the warrant, outstanding warrants on these matters, the court is recalling any outstanding warrants. The court is also giving each of you a personal bond. It means you will not have to pay any money, but you must return at 8:35 in the morning on June 24, 2021. It will be a Zoom connection. So the same way you connected today, you will connect on June 24. Same numbers, same everything. 8:35 on June 24, same numbers. All right. And the personal bond has been entered for each of you. Any questions before you disconnect? Oh, one more thing. If you have, and I think I told you this earlier, any documentation that will assist the prosecutor in giving you the best offer that you're eligible for, please bring it with you when you come to the pretrial. license, insurance, registration, bring it with you. Make sure the attorney knows so that the prosecutor can give you the best available offer for you. All right? Any other questions before you disconnect?
Yes, one question.
Yes, Mr.
Walker.
Walker?
So when you say bring all your documents to the table, if I've been trying to get the license back, because I haven't had the license. I've not been able to drive or anything for quite some time. So if I do
If
have
you
state
don't have
ID.
it, if you don't have it, no, state ID is not gonna help you. But if you don't have it, don't worry. It's just that if you do, you will still get an offer. It's just that you will get a better offer if you do have those documents. Even a dismissal for some of you. But if you don't have it, you don't have it. That's, you can't, can't bring something you don't have.
Correct.
All right. So thank you.
Yeah.
Anybody else have a question? I'm gonna leave the